Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before I get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrap that you usually have. If it does, you can just peel it off. Now, next, we will need to take off the case. This one provided with the device, you probably have one on. So remove it, and the tray will be located at the bottom of the device right here. So grabbing a tool, find the insert area, which is the one closer to the corner and is part of this cutout. Right here. And you want to just push it in. When you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on each side. And you can occupy both of the trays or just one. And if you're planning to use just one, it doesn't matter if you use top or bottom. Make sure that the card that you placed on the tray is clipped in correctly. It should be laying completely flush on the tray, and if you flip it upside down, this card should not be falling out. Next, we're just gonna pop it back into our device. There we go. And the card should start working right away. There we go. Here's our pin for the SIM card. So we'll need to confirm it. And once I do so, this will unlock the SIM card. So that's it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.